How to know if a woman is a cougar. Women in their 40s or older, who date noticeably younger men, typically with an age difference of 10 years or more, are referred to as cougars. Pop culture portrays the cougar as predatory and pitifully desperate, but women have recently started challenging the stereotype. According to them, real cougars are successful, self-assured single women over the age of 40 who are fed up with unromantic and closed-minded men their own age and prefer to date younger, more adventurous, and active men. 1. Set aside your preconceived notions about cougars. In fact, disregard the phrase entirely. If you want to date and/or have a romantic relationship with an older woman, you must treat her like a real person and not according to a sexist stereotype of what a sexually active older woman looks and acts like. 2. What age is the woman? Although most people define cougars as being 40 or older, some people define them as being as young as 35. Many men and women can look much younger than they actually are thanks to new creams and procedures that are now readily available. 3. Check out her cosmetics. According to evolutionary psychology, physical attractiveness has a more significant role in determining a woman's desirability than it does in determining a man's. 4. Don't base your opinion of her on her sense of style. The absurd cougar stereotype depicts a lady as dressing way too young and frequently too tightly for her, typically in garish fabrics like animal print. 5. Pay close heed to her assurance. In general, a woman becomes more self-assured and adept at knowing herself and her preferences as she ages. She demonstrates her confidence proudly. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.